Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for US dollar currency index, or the DXY. I'll cover wave analysis with the Elliott Waves theory and provide multiple scenarios your price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. So let's get going. Starting here on daily time frame, we had two different counts. One was saying that we have a 1, 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can see the extensions here, at least on higher resolution screens. These are pretty small, to be honest, but we can see the higher time frame count. That's what matters here, and as there's no invalidations here. In any case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then looking for higher. We don't have alteration between the fourth and second here, which is a bit concerning. This makes me think that this is not the right count, and that's why we have the other one as well. On this one, we have this as 1, 2. And 3 is still in development. For the lower time frame, we have this as a 1, 2, another 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It looks okay-ish. It is not perfect either. Getting to the 1.618 for the third, and then again nothing else. No real extension on the fifth either. This would suggest again that we are completing a third of this structure here, around the 4.236 extension, which is very extreme already. And then we could be looking at this wave 4 area of previous wave structure for that support to pivot from higher, or pivot from to higher prices. So those are the two overall ideas. Higher is the way still. Now let's take a look at the local structures since the highs, what we have had. So to me this looks pretty good as some kind of three-way move. I've labeled it that as an ABC here, A, B and C. Within A we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into third, fourth and fifth. Fifth and third are on the same level, basically on the price. We do have that divergence there though. I had the wave A down here previously to give that more clear divergence, but at that point I really couldn't get a clear three-way move here in this area, and I definitely don't want to be calling this a WXYXZ. Instead I would just call this as a three-way move into A, three ways, well, I think it might be like this. That we have A there. Yeah, this looks better. Okay, there we go. So A, 3 ways into B, and then 5 ways into C, giving us some ABC. In the middle as a connector wave to connect this leg into something else. And this time we had a expanding and ending diagonal here into the fifth. For the higher time frame target, we did hit the 764. Again, did not hit the 1-to-1 extension, but it is fine. Sometimes we just don't hit them. But the main point is that we have already completed this structure. Then from the current lows that we had yesterday, we've developed a possible 5-way move here. I'll label this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Wave 4 getting to the 0.5, third getting to 1.618 of wave 1, so that has the right look. Wave 5, however, did not extend the 0.618 extension, which is again a typical target when we don't have an extension on the third. So we could be looking this as, it is kind of close here, but it is possible that we are still going to be making this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and getting some kind of extension here on the last leg. So it could be there. We can confirm that once we break out these lows, as then we can't have this as a 1, 2 anymore. At that point, at latest, we would be looking at the possibility that this indeed is the wave 1 of something, or at least an A wave. Let me label that in as well. So that would be minuet. So again, two different ideas here. And this should be a different color, this should be that one. So either 1, 2, or this would be completing this structure and looking for a three-way structure coming down. Now we don't really have too many targets here other than this weekly down in the middle. Of course, we can have and take a look at some of these order blocks that were created here and base our trades off of those. But I guess it could be more safe to look for a bottom around this 0.5 and the 0.618, and then look for 5 waves up from it and then 3 waves back, and then have a possibility of entering and having this stop below these lows here. And yeah, at that point you can manage your risk better. Then again, it is possible, of course, that this is going to make just a ABC leg here and looking for lower back to these areas where we have daily and a 786. We'll see how it turns out though. But those are the ways to enter this market if you want to do so. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I wanted to cover on DXY today. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Links to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.